Hey, it's Paladin from Paladin's Meats here at the Big Texas Steak Ranch. Gonna have me some steak, some root beer, and enjoy the memorabilia. Y'all have a good night now. Keep on smiling. This is Paladin's Meats. This is my waiter here. What's your name?
Malcolm.
This is Malcolm here at Texas Roadhouse Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. He's gonna serve me up a double duke because they're out of the tomahawks. Y'all have a good night. Keep on smiling. First time I've set up here. That right there is where they do the steak challenge.